Have you ever felt like your credit history was holding you back? Perhaps you made some mistakes in the past and are now struggling to get approved for credit or loans. Well, what if we told you there's a way to start fresh with a new credit identity? By creating a legal new consumer FICO credit file, you can start building a better financial future for yourself. Creating a legal new credit file involves obtaining a credit privacy number and using it to apply for credit under a different credit file, separate from your Social Security number credit file. Once approved for credit under your legal new credit file, you can start using it responsibly to build a positive credit history. Over time, your new credit file can help you achieve financial stability and open doors to new opportunities, like renting an apartment, buying an automobile, buying a home, or starting a new business. Imagine being able to buy the home of your dreams or start the business you've always wanted without being held back by a bad credit history. Having a legal new credit file can give you the freedom and peace of mind you deserve. So why not start fresh and create a legal new credit file today with a 700+ FICO credit score? We work with the 3 major credit bureaus to build a new FICO consumer credit file for you and help you build a strong new credit file legally. We can also provide you with resources and guidance to help you start building a stable financial future with your new credit file attached to a new business to get up to $10,000 in funding in as little as 5 weeks. Don't let your past hold you back. With a legal new credit file, you can take control of your financial future and get the fresh start you deserve. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you start building a better tomorrow. Call 1-800-597-2560.